Hi, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Raghunandan and my age is 21 and I just started YouTubing and yeah, you guys can watch my previous videos as well. This is my 13th vlog. It's a really short vlog. It's just to show you guys how I have set my mic and what I have done to reduce the wind noise now that I don't have the chin screen for the helmet. So let me just take my helmet. So this is my helmet and this is the camera. From here the wire is gone and I put up my mic here. So now what I've done to reduce the wind noise is basically taken a mask and I put it up there. So how I put up the mask is I've put one of these straps here, down here, and the other one from down here I have circled it and twisted it and to make it as small as possible I put it up here. Now after doing all that, there were still spaces through which the air could go and wind noise would have come. So what I did to minimize that is I took this insulin tape. This is the best I had because the other tapes won't stick properly. So I took this insulin tape and I taped it all over. So something like this would act like a chin curtain, and then I taped it in every place possible to reduce any vents, maybe what you can say. Wait, I'll just place it somewhere and I'll show you guys properly. I'll focus and show you guys. Just give me 1 second. I hope you guys can see it here. At this part I've put up a tape so that there's no air entering from here. Here as well I've put up a tape from on the inside so that there's no air entering here as well. And then under here, I think you can see this edge and this edge so that there's no air passing through again, and the mic is placed here. Now there's another small issue which I'm facing. The air passing through here maybe. I'm not sure from where, but then the wind noise is still there. That I think it's from these vents which is passing through. If not that, then I think what I'll do next is probably keep some cloth inside so that it reduces the wind noise even more, and then I'll put this mask. But right now I've just kept it like this. I'll do that when I'm taking out the bike next and I motovlog next. So yeah, that's it for now. This is a really short video. I hope this video was informative, and whoever out there is trying to place their mic at a place where they don't get much wind noise, for them, just try this out. If you guys do get it, just comment down in the comment section and let me know if it worked or not. Thank you. Have a great day. Enjoy.